Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, TikTokers, if you want to find out when your TikTok account was created, you can go ahead and follow these steps. I've got two methods so you can get those results. Let's dive in. So there are two ways of doing this. The first way is going into your email account and making sure that the email account that is associated with your TikTok account you are logged in with. You're going to go up to the top where it says search in emails, and you're going to go ahead and search for no reply at account.tiktok.com, and you will now be able to see all of the emails that were sent by this email address. As you can see here, I've got a date, and this could potentially be the email that was sent to you when your account was created. The second way of doing this is going into your TikTok account and going over to the right hand side on the bottom of the page and clicking on profile. Now from here you can go and view all of the content that you've uploaded. You can now scroll all the way down to the bottom where you will find your very first post or your very first video that you uploaded. If you go into that video, you will actually see a date stamp on the video in the bottom of the page. You can see over here there is a date stamp on there, and again, if you just go into the comment section, you'll be able to see when this video was posted. And even though this may not be the day that you created your account, you will be able to tell more or less when it was created. Now, if this was a helpful guide, please do drop us a like. We will see you in another awesome video. Peace out.